So, good morning, dear students. Let us start to learn about the some scientists of evolution. So, you have heard about the Lamarck. So, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck, he was a French naturalist and pioneer of evolutionary biology. He was born on August 1st, 1744 and died on December 18, 1829 of age about 85. He was a French naturalist, biologist, academic, and one more interesting thing about him is that he was a soldier also. So Lamarck fought in the 7 Years' War against Persia and was awarded a commission for bravery. After retirement from army, he returned to his medical studies, and Lamarck develops a particular interest in botany, and he published a 3-volume work on Flore Francoise. He got membership in the French Academy of Sciences and was involved in the Jardin des Plantes and was appointed to the chair of the botany. Later on, he became a professor of zoology. So initially, he was not zoologist, but later on, he became the professor of zoology. So what he did, what was his contribution? So this is the main topic. So Lamarck made his most important contributions to science as a botanical and zoological systematist, and as a founder of invertebrate paleontology, and as an evolutionary theorist also. So you come to know about the theory of acquired characters. So Lamarck proposed two main mechanisms how species adapt over time. First was use and disuse of organs, frequently used organs which are mainly used over the time. They will strengthen and enlarge, while unused one weaken and eventually disappear. This was his idea. And inheritance of acquired characteristics like modifications gained through the use or disuse during the individual's life are passed to the offspring. That was also his idea. So this is a diagram showing the giraffe example, how his neck elongated over the time, and he from the grazing animal he become a long-heighted, long-neck animal in the present time. So examples are giraffe, aquatic birds like ducks, they developed webbed feet through the efforts of stretching their toes to swim, and snakes, they lost their limbs. So it was his contribution to the theory of acquired characters in the evolution. In addition to this, he was the first person who used the term biology to study the living beings. And he also published highly respected 3-volume Flore Francoise. Then he also coined the term invertebrate, and he proposed that life is driven towards greater complexity over time, moving from simpler to more advanced. But his theory was not accepted at that time, and it was dismissal and discredit to him also. And but today, in recent years, interest in Lamarck has resurfaced through the field of epigenetics, which studies how environmental factors can influence gene expression across generations without changing the underlying DNA sequences. So epigenetics, that is related to the theory he proposed at that time, and influence on Darwin also. Although Darwin theory of natural selection eventually superseded Lamarckism, Darwin respected Lamarck for establishing the idea that life evolves by natural law, and even included some soft inheritance ideas in his own work. So this is how you can learn about the Lamarck. So first of all, you should know his theory and his contribution towards the evolution, as well as a biologist, as well as a botanist and the zoologist. Thank you.